Imagine flying straight to a smaller city far away. No layovers, no crowded hubs. The Airbus A321XLR is making this possible. XLR stands for extra long range. What sets this plane apart? It flies farther than any other single-aisle jet. Now you can fly from Europe directly to smaller North American cities. No wide-body needed. This is a smarter way to fly long distances. Passengers get more choices, airlines get efficiency and profit. The future of travel just got a lot more interesting. What makes the A321XLR so special? It's all about efficiency and smart engineering. The latest engines from Pratt & Whitney and CFM International are quieter and burn less fuel. The real breakthrough is the new rear center tank, tucked into the cargo area, giving the plane its extra long range. Airbus also strengthened the landing gear to handle the extra fuel weight. This isn't just a regular A321 with more gas. It's purpose-built for long haul. The A321XLR is a single-aisle plane, unlike most long-haul jets with two aisles. It typically carries 180 to 220 passengers, making it easier for airlines to fill seats on new routes. This smaller size means airlines can offer direct flights between cities that never had them before. The combination of long range and smaller capacity is a game-changer. Airlines can now fly long and thin routes, long distance, fewer passengers, profitably. Before, these routes were nearly impossible to make work. Now the A321XLR is the perfect tool for the job. It's a revolution in a narrow-body package. More direct flights, more options, and smarter travel. That's what sets the A321XLR apart. The A321XLR's range, up to 4,700 nautical miles, changes everything. That's about 11 hours in the air, connecting continents with a single-aisle jet. Suddenly, hundreds of new direct routes are possible. Think Boston to Prague, Philadelphia to Rome, or London to Delhi. No wide-body required. Airlines can reach deeper into North America, India, the Middle East, and beyond. In Asia-Pacific, it means direct flights from Sydney to Manila or Tokyo to India. South America can connect directly to Europe or the southern US. The A321XLR breaks down distance barriers and makes the world feel smaller. For passengers, it means more choice and convenience, no more stressful layovers or missed connections. Direct flights save time, reduce hassle, and lower the risk of lost luggage. Business travelers get more productive trips. Vacationers start their holidays sooner. The real impact? Better journeys for everyone. The A321XLR isn't just about numbers, it's about making travel easier. More cities, more connections, more possibilities. That's the power of this new plane. Worried about comfort on a long-haul, single-aisle flight? Airbus and airlines have you covered. The A321XLR features the new airspace cabin, bigger overhead bins, mood lighting, and larger windows. Many airlines are installing true long-haul seats, including lie-flat beds in business class. Direct aisle access for every business passenger, just like on a wide body. Economy gets modern seats, more legroom, big entertainment screens, and USB power at every seat. The cabin is quieter thanks to new engines and better insulation. You can relax, watch a movie, or chat without shouting. Advanced air filtration keeps the cabin fresh. Boarding and deplaning are faster on a smaller plane. You get the intimacy of a narrow body with the comfort of a long-haul jet. For many, it's a better experience than connecting through a crowded hub. Direct, comfortable, and civilized. This is the new way to travel long distances. The A321XLR redefines what's possible in the sky. Long-haul comfort reimagined. The A321XLR isn't just a new airplane, it's a glimpse into the future of flying. The age of giant jets and mega hubs is fading. Point-to-point travel is the new standard. Airlines can open new routes, match seats to demand, and operate more sustainably. Smaller cities gain direct international links, boosting local economies and tourism. More jobs, more business, and more global connections. The A321XLR democratizes long-haul travel, spreading the benefits beyond big capitals. Environmentally, it's a leap forward, burning less fuel per seat and cutting carbon emissions. Flying a full A321XLR is far more efficient than a half-empty wide body. It's a key part of aviation's push for sustainability. For passengers, more direct flights, better journeys. For airlines, new opportunities and smarter business. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution in a narrow body. The A321XLR is changing our skies for the better. The future of flying is here and it's point-to-point. Welcome aboard the next era of air travel.